Hey, welcome back. Yeah, today's video we're gonna paint this seascape painting here. Yeah, mixing set of colors, as you can see here, for the underpainting. Using a stretched canvas here, size 50 by 60 centimeters. Yeah, we basically just, kind of establish very flat way of colors, as you can see here. This bluish color, where we have later on the water, the more steep water, and on the left side we have the beach area. This whitish underpainting for the foam part would not have been necessary, but yeah. Then I let the whole thing dry for a couple of days, really bone dry, and start to mix another set of colors. To put in those details in the flat water area on the left side. Basically where we have the beach beneath a little very flat layer of water. And yeah, you see we have different set of colors, brownish tones, greenish ones, a bit grayish ones. And they kind of resemble the structure on the floor, on the sand, more or less. See here? We apply those details, getting smaller in the far distance. And then I rework the right part of this breaking wave here. Already readjusting some of these light areas that where the light goes through. And then we mix another bluish color here, basically the blue color of the sky, more or less, and start to build up the reflection on the water itself. This looks currently completely off, but you will soon see when you start to build up those reflections in those areas. When you follow the reference photo, then the whole thing really starts to look realistic and starts really to shape kind of a water scene here. You of course have to follow the line, the shape of the water. See here we follow along the floor, the sand part here, and go up a bit towards the incoming wave. And the same goes on the right side. We have this reflection going down, more or less. We have this top part of the wave, and then kind of a little hill, more or less, and down we go with this bluish color, building up those fine ripples, fine little waves here. And the important thing here is again to be random. That's what I try to do. Little waves, bigger waves, just some hints of reflections here and there. Really, trying to, kind of simulate this water surface where the water reflects, where the light reflects, or the color of the sky reflects on this area here. And then I already start to build up the foam part of the water. We have basically on this breaking part of the wave here on top. We have lighter colors, nearly a pure titanium white. We have a bit more of a bluish, purplish color here and there. Already some little wave parts in the front and in the back. And I already start to build up those reflections that we have. Some of these areas. So I do here now, as you can see here. And this is the whole painting. The upper right part of the painting basically consists of felt, I would say, 1 million of those dots here that I had to put in. You will see later on, I will add a lot more of them. But here now I'm re-establishing the shape of the incoming water by remixing the color that we applied before to just reshape this area here, to kind of fine-tune the water that tumbles over, more or less. You want some bluish color here on the area where the water tumbles over on the left side, and then this part basically kind of vanishes into the foam white water part of this breaking wave here. And again, you need to kind of simulate a 3D effect, more or less, adding those darker, bit more bluish colors beneath it, and to really kind of maybe flesh it out, more or less. And now you see that the lighter color we applied before has not yet been a pure white. So really try to save this lightest colors for the highlights. Same goes for this here, this section here. I'm again using some darker colors, darker whitish color here, to not be too light in this area here. Actually, we go very darkish bluish color here. And then, only then, when I establish the whole thing, I kind of get back and use a nearly pure titanium white to kind of refresh, reshape those little bits and parts of the water that tumbles over of this foam part here. And here we go on, putting on those reflections that we have. You might see a pattern here. Kind of you have to put those dots in, basically where the sunlight hits the water and reflects into the eye of the viewer. And this is only done, or this only happens on some angles of the water here. Therefore, we don't have these white spots all over the place. They just happen here and there. This sounds difficult at the beginning, but when you start to, just have a look at your reference photo, and then you will get the clue where you need to put them. And again, they need to be very randomly shaped, sized. Some of those blobs kind of fade out, like here, for example. So this enhances the effect of this light, shiny light bouncing off those water parts here. Again, also some smaller bits, some bigger reflections. It took quite a while to build up those different sized reflections with all their with all those look to them, pointy ones, faded ones. And this was a difficult part here, because the original painting looked a bit different. There was a surfer in there, and the surfer basically broke up the water, and I decided to leave him out to practice basically painting water without the reference to really make this thing look realistic on those parts where the surfer is not in here in this version. Basically I try to make it look realistic as possible with those reflections here and there, adding some now pure titanium white bits here and there to really make it even more punchy. Adding again some reflections. Really kind of let the whole thing appear to be 3D, without needing to paint the water itself, just to tint the water by adding the reflection from the sky and from the sun that we have here. Yeah, that's the finished painting. So that's about it for today. Yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. Did you like this video? Was it helpful? And also please hit the like button, that subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye.